I guess, do you happen to know, sorry to put you on the spot here, but do you happen to know what the demand for home care services is expected to, be, for example, like, do we expect that the demand for home care is going up a certain percentage per year?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I don't know the exact percentage off the top of my head, but yes, I mean, home care is thriving so much. Everyone is really utilizing home care more than they ever have, and really, it did. It started right when COVID hit. Well, I guess I should back up. It's been trending upwards, but it really hit when COVID came because what everyone wanted to stay at home, right?